Hey, what is up guys? New tech begins here. I hope you are all doing well. Let's go ahead and let's just open it up. Let's open it up like this. Let's see what we have here inside. Alright, yes, this is the long awaiting Magqi. The Magqi wireless charger, automatic wireless car charger mount. Open this box up and see what this is all about. Nice packaging. So we can remove the sticker. Gently. Let's go ahead and let's remove this sticker here. Alright, nice box. Here we have the JindSmart adapter. It's got also a booklet inside. Automatic wireless car charger mount, user manual. Okay. This is really nice. Right, so it's written in Chinese and in English, which is really nice. Okay, so let's try to see here. Okay, so we got all the accessories here. Got a cable, a nice USB, micro USB cable. And then we got here this nice double USB to cigarette holder for in the car, which is really fantastic. Alright. And what we have more here, we got this thing here, the level to put it, to connect it. And then it goes to the ventilation of the car ventilation, right? This level here, 1, position 2, 1 and 2, alright, let's see what is now here, this thing here, how to remove that by turning this putty here. There you go, and then gently remove it, just like that. And this is the mechanism, which is really nice. You can also put it back this thing here. Alright. Alright, so now let's go ahead and let's test this item and see if it's compatible with some phones. In the beginning I was worried about this product. I thought maybe it is not compatible with older phones and that you need the latest phones like an iPhone 10 or the Samsung Galaxy S9, or all the latest phones will work with this item. I was worried that maybe it would not work, but the opposite is true, because this thing also works with an old Samsung Galaxy Note 5 or LG G6 or Le TV Le One Pro. So that is really nice. Just let me show you what I mean. Let's see if we can get the cable, original charging cable. Here is the original charging cable. This thing looks really nice. Got this large cabling here and the USB attachment, and it is micro USB, as you can see, which is really nice. I like this large edition of cable. Right, so what we're going to do now is to put it on the USB port. Let's try to charge it by inserting it right here. So as you can see, the LED will lit up when you attach the charging cable, and at the back it's got also this button here. If you press it, you're ready to go to insert the phone. You can do like this first, then you just press the button. Alright, here's the sensor, so if you put the finger on there or your phone, it will open automatically. And with this button you can just touch it and it will open also, close automatically, and that is really nice. Let me just grab a phone. Got here the LG G6. Go ahead and the fingerprint sensor open up. Let me see just. Alright, so if I put it like this, insert it, will close automatically. When you put the phone in front of it, it will open automatically. So let's try it again. So you can see, I open up by pressing this button here. And do it again. And there you go. Wow, this noise is really cool. Let's try it again. This is so nice. Well, okay, not all phones have wireless charging, but don't worry, you have still here the space to insert the cable. So let me show you what I mean. And it will charge, as you can see right here. If I go to battery, at the moment it is charging. This is really nice. Alright, so let's remove the LG G6 and let's put an other phone. Let's do the Le TV Le One Pro. So if you put the phone in front of it, this, there you go. When you want to eject it, remove it. Once again, and we put it. As you can see, it will just stay in place, so no worries that it will drop. Just press the button once. Remove. Want to put it back? Just do it like that, and it will put it back. Once again for the noise. That is so cool. This is so nice, my friends. So, and if I want to charge it with the USB cable, go ahead and insert USB Type-C. And will charge. Alright, let's try another phone. Let's try the Samsung Galaxy Note 5 with Oreo, Lineage OS. Let's try this one. Okay, let me just try with the Galaxy Note 5. As you can see here, it says not charging. So let's try to put it on. No, it's charging. Let's try to eject it. Oh, that noise is so cool. Okay. There you go, and it's charging. Eject. Not charging. Put it back in. Charging. Okay, so let's start with the LG G6. Put it like this. There you go. Eject it. Put it on again. Eject it. Alright, let's continue with the Lure TV Lure 1 Pro. This is so cool. Let's eject that. Works also. Let's try now the Samsung Galaxy Note 5. Now it's charging. Eject. Charge. Not charging. Charging. This is so cool, the noise. I really like this product. Can also turn it around like this. Just bear with me 1 second. Try to turn it around in landscape mode. So you can also put it in landscape mode. Eject. Let's go ahead and let's make a nice YouTube photo. Alright, so let's try once again the James Bond noise with the LG G6. Let's try to check it. So again, the robotic noise. That sound is so cool. That concludes this video for today. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.